Hey guys, Chris Anderson with Pursuit Hunting here. Going to do a quick video on another application of the Speedy Stitcher sewing awl. I did an in-depth review on it a couple days ago and did a follow-up video showing this tool in use to repair a pair of torn coveralls. And in the process of repairing those coveralls, I came up with what I think is a new way of using the stitcher. Maybe it's an old way that I just didn't know about, but anyway, I think I invented it. And I'm going to try it out on this sheath. Now you can see here, this is it's a Gerber multi-tool sheath, and actually the sheath is a piece of junk. I like the multi-tool, but the sheath is really poorly constructed. Both ends of the strap in the back tore off, and I've sewn both of them back on. The sewing job that I did on the bottom doesn't look very good, as you can see, primarily because in order to use the normal type of stitching, you have to push the needle through and then reach inside there and push the free end of the thread through the loop. So what I'm going to try to do is use the new type of stitch that I've created and try to stitch it from just the outside and see if I can get better results than that. So I'm going to get to work with a little knife and try to cut all these stitches out. I'll turn the camera off while I do that, then I'll come back when I start stitching. Okay, we're back. You can see that I've gotten all the old repair torn out, and I can say it's a testament to the strength of this thread that it was a real pain getting that out. I think that even though it looked ugly, that was a very effective repair. But anyway, hopefully it's going to look better now. As you can see, I've got the first stitch started. I went in, and I'll repeat this in a second. I just want to get the first stitch in to kind of hold things in place. But again, normally with the Speedy Stitcher, I would have gone straight down through. I would have created my loop on the inside. I had to stick my fingers down in there and try to push the thread through, which was why it was such an ugly repair in the first place. So I'm trying a new method here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it out. I'll hold it down here where I can get a little bit better view of it. And then I'm going to come around and I'm going to come in right next to where that stitch came out. I'm going to go in and I want to come out right next to this one here without running this thing through my finger. There we go. Push it through, create a loop. Pull this in through. And I'm not going to pull it super tight because it'll draw that webbing together there. That's probably just about tight enough there. Well, I finished sewing across here. I had to do it off camera. I just couldn't get the right kind of angle on it to get the leverage that I needed to push the thread through there. But I've done my cross stitches there, and now I'm ready to tie it off. So I've ended up with the needle coming out on the same side as my free end. I'll cut the thread right there by the needle, pull that out, and then just tie a square knot. There like that. Then I'll cut these two ends off and burn them down, so that melt the ends down so that they're right in that knot, and it'll all be sealed up, and that's a good bomb-proof repair right there. I don't think that'll come loose. Hope that's a helpful tip to you. Chris Anderson, Pursuit Hunting, signing out.